I just had a blast visiting the first major tech show in Taiwan this year, the 2026 Taipei Game Show. For 4 days, almost 500,000 visitors packed the Nankan Exhibition Center to see hundreds of exhibitors and play their latest games, including many from independent developers. There were console, PC, and mobile titles, and also a great variety of tabletop games. And sure, cosplayers all around. Let's have a look. That was a fun ride. But the Taipei Game Show is not only for gamers and visitors. It also includes a separate B2B floor where industry professionals get together to exchange contacts and discuss business opportunities. This year, the expanded B2B Zone attracted more than 2,000 visitors from 43 countries, and they held nearly 2,500 matchmaking sessions in 2 intensive days, closing partnership deals and licensing agreements. According to the organizers, this was an unprecedented level of business activity, so if you work in the gaming industry, be sure to include the Taipei Game Show in your list of places to visit. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to check out the best tech expos to visit in Taiwan in 2026, take a look at this video right here and start packing your bags. See you in the next one.